All right, what's up everyone? Recording a nice wash after a good long day of riding, and we're gonna do it live. So we got the gun perspective here and then the camera setup on the new lens. All right, first things first, you're gonna wanna get the bike up on stands. I use stands not just for maintenance, but also for washing, just because it makes things so much easier and really allows you to get under the bike. I used Adam's Pressure Washer 2.0. This thing is an excellent iteration of the first one. The first one got kind of torn apart by Obsessed Garage, but moving forward, I love the GRIOT'S Garage wheel cleaner. It's a heavy-duty wheel cleaner. This stuff just destroys brake dust, especially on the BMW. And the foam cannon, guys, I love the foam cannon. I dream of using the foam cannon, actually. And this is coming from a guy who used to drive over 10 miles to get to a car wash that I enjoyed, because it's so hard to find a good car wash. And after living in apartments, I'm sure some of you know the struggle. You just can't really find a good location to wash your bike. So if you do have the ability, I highly recommend the Pressure Washer 2 paired with the foam cannon. It's a great combination. So moving forward, I love the Chemical Guys Woolly Mammoth. This thing is huge, it is so absorbent, and it's really convenient for, I can use one of them to clean the whole entire BMW, and it's pretty much overkill for the bike, but I'm just trying to pat dry here and get things beautiful. Enjoy. Let me know down below if you like this format. I know a lot of people just do talking head with this kind of review stuff, but I just want to be a little more creative here. And so leave me some feedback, leave a like. Thanks, guys.